My name is Obiso Lumon from the Department of Crop Science, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. I'm a 400 level, and in this 400 level we're in the IT, and from this IT I've had a lot of experiences. We have been involved in the poultry unit, in the piggery, and micro livestock and the rest of them. And then as pertaining to the piggery, there are opportunities, there are various opportunities waiting for those to invest in the piggery unit. As per the location where we have observed that majority of the populace eat pigs, and then the cost of production is not that much, it's minimal. And then coming to the piggery, there may be little challenges which we might face, and then one of them as per person, I don't like odor, and I believe there are chemicals that can be used to reduce the odors, and that's one of the things we don't have here. And then we'll be beckoning on the government if it can be provided. That's one. And we found out that some of the pigs are actually aggressive, so we cannot that. But I believe that constant feeding and other things can actually solve that problem. And then I will actually advise anybody who wants to go into the part of piggery production to do so, because there is much benefit as pertaining to it. Thank you so much.